Here's the tutorial on how to use our smart toilet. When you approach the toilet, it will open. If you are wanting to lift the seat up, do not lift it manually. Use the foot sensor. When you're done with your business, use the foot sensor again. It will flush. If you are sitting down and you're done, just stand up and it will flush. If it does not flush, press the flush button on here or push this button in. If you are taking a number 2, continue sitting down. Don't waste our toilet paper unless you have to. And press rear wash. A sprayer will come out and wash your booty. Once you're done with your massage, press dryer. After you press dryer, you can lift off whenever you want. And please wash your hands. Thank you, and we hope you had a great time.